Hi, my name is Deborah Weissman, and I'm here to show you Livestand from Yahoo, which is a personalized digital newsstand which allows you to browse all of your favorite publications and also create a personalized magazine based on topics that you subscribe to. And we just launched it in November, but now we're here to show you a sneak preview of new features that are coming out a little later in December. So here's Livestand, again, your personalized digital newsstand for the iPad. And although we've had multiple users from the beginning, the ability to share and log in via Facebook or Yahoo to create a personalized experience for each user, we also, in our new release coming in December, have improved guest mode so that if you just want to take it for a spin, you can also enter as guest. But what I'm going to do right here is log in via Facebook. And up here you see I have all of the publications that I've subscribed to, and also I have something called Personal Mix, which is my personalized magazine based on topics that I'm interested in. And so I can go and browse through those publications, or I can dive right into Personal Mix. So I wanted to talk a little bit about some of the new stuff, because down here you can see what's new. You're always coming up with new items that you can explore and discover. So let's go check out The Scene, which is an original publication from Yahoo. And as you can see, I can scan my entertainment headlines, or I can also go dive right into some original video. And Livestand is differentiated in that we have seamless integration of video. Not only do we have original video content that you can't find anywhere else, but we really seamlessly integrate it into the content itself. And as you can see, I can go to related videos, or I can jump back into my publication. Also, if I go back here, Yahoo Today provides personalized news just for me. Since I'm logged in, these are going to be the stories that are based on what I like to read and what I like to see. And as you can see, we've got beautifully laid out stories that have integrated photos and video in Yahoo Today for the stories that are for me. I can also go check out my stocks, go check out local deals, which is another new feature that we're going to have in December. So I'm in New York right now, and so this is showing me deals from New York. And in our new Shine publication, which is our new women's focused publication for Livestand, you see that we have not only local deals and horoscopes and integrated with the content, but also a new feature called Recipe Finder, where I can basically do a filter on specific types of recipes that I like, whether they are based on ingredient or different types of cuisine. And then once I've found a recipe that I want, I can go click on that recipe, get a shopping list based on the ingredients for that recipe, and then even go and email it to myself. So we really believe that you shouldn't have to go download a separate app in order to have a great productive experience with your content. You shouldn't have to have a separate food magazine or recipe magazine and download a separate recipe app. We are integrating this seamlessly into the content itself. So again, just to recap, we feel that we're differentiated in a couple of different ways. So number one, we have a variety of third-party content. Again, we have over 100 third-party partners from all sorts of different publications. You can see some of them here. And we're adding more and more content every week. We're adding more and more content throughout the year. We've got a bunch of content in our pipeline. And also, you're going to get original content from Yahoo that you can't see anywhere else, and as well as being able to create a personal mix of content based on topics that you want to subscribe to. The second thing that we think we do really well is it's really a genuinely pleasurable reading experience. As you saw, there are photos and video and interactives that are seamlessly built into the content so that you can go back and forth really easily without having to leave your context. Lastly, we have deep personalization that we use for all of our websites that we use to bring personalized news and personalized articles to you. And so we think those three things are really a great foundation for continuing to build on the product. As you saw, we launched in November. We've got another release coming in December. We expect to continue to bring new features, respond to user feedback, and just continue to build on the great launch that we had in November.